Hi, in front of me is Oppo A33 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Fingerprint, Face and Password. Go into Set Privacy Password and tap on Use a different password type. Pick one of the options. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it, draw my pattern and draw it again. Now answer the question, and when you're done, tap at the top right corner. Choose App Lock and pick apps that you want to lock by tapping on them. For example, I only want to lock Facebook, so I have to tap on it, click Lock One, and now when I try to access my Facebook, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!